Hi, I'm Damon, and welcome to HID Global. We're working hard to bring you the latest advances in security technology, and today we're going to be updating firmware and iCLASS SE readers. We're going to be using field programming cards like these and updating an RP40. Let's take a look at what's in the update kit.
We have both firmware and configuration cards, a card holder for your convenience, a reset button that allows you to easily cycle power, instructions so you can follow along with this video, and labels that allow you to mark what readers have been updated.
Let's get right to it. The first thing we want to do is install the reset button on the back of the reader.
Remove the security screw from the reader and take the reader off the wall.
Remove any black electrical tape or a module if it exists. Next, I'm going to take my power reset button, place the power reset button right on top of the connector, and push down. The next thing we're going to do is
Organize our cards and get them ready to be placed in the holder. We're going to place the cards in order from 1 to 6 and put the first card in the holder. Now, we'll need to cycle power. To cycle power, just press the reset button. Put the reader back on the wall and place our first card up to the reader.
When the reader's done with the first card, it'll stop beeping and flash red and blue. Once that's done, the next step is to remove the card in the card holder. I'm going to discard the card and load up the second card. For the second card, again, we'll have to remove the reader,
Reset the power and place it back on the wall.
place the second card up to the reader. This card, as it's progressing, will flash green. This will take about 30 seconds. Once the LED is red, flashing on and off, that card is done. We'll take that second card off, put it in the discard pile, load the third card up, and again, we're going to cycle power on the reader. Press the power reset button, place the card in the card holder onto the reader. While it's reading, the LED is amber. This takes about 90 seconds. Once the reader's beeping and the LED is blue, that means that card's complete. We're going to discard that and load up the fourth card. For the fourth card, we don't need to reset power. We're just going to simply place it up against the reader. Again, the LED is going to be amber, and it'll be about 90 seconds until this card's complete. Once it's done,
The LED will change to solid red.
once the LED is red, this card's complete. We're going to remove the card. We're going to place the fourth card in the discard pile. Load up the fifth card. This card requires a power cycle. Take the reader off the wall. Cycle power. Place the card holder and card onto the reader. This takes about 30 seconds. Once the LED is solid red, that means this card is complete. We have one final step, which is the sixth card. This is going to load all the site-specific configuration into the reader. Last power cycle is required. This card only takes about 10 seconds. Once the reader is flashing red and blue, that means this card is complete. There's just a few more things we got to do. First, we're going to take the reader off the wall, remove the power reset button. Now remember, if you removed a module to do this update, you want to put that module back in and actually power cycle the reader. Next thing we want to do is take a label and place this on the back of the reader, really anywhere you can. Just mark that you've updated the reader.
Place the label on the back of the reader, anywhere there is space.
Go ahead and place the reader back onto the wall, screw in the security screw, and test it with your access card. Congratulations! Your reader is now up to date with the latest and greatest technology. If you have any questions, come visit us at our website. From everyone here at HID, thanks for watching.